Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fat Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm so excited. I have been waiting for this line since the moment we ordered it. It's called Gingerbread Lane. It's by Kiley of Kiley's Quilt Room for Moda. Look at it. It's just perfection. These are all the colors in our home at Christmas. They just bring me such joy. I just love every single one of them. Look at the cute little gingerbread men. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we have a kit available with this. I'm also going to be making my new pattern in it because it's just perfect. Okay. So here's our kit. This is In A Flurry. There you go. You see it? Okay. It finishes at, I think 76.5 inch square. Yes, that is it. Okay, so that kit is available. Then we have both these patterns coming, and we think we're going to do kit options for those as well. The patterns aren't here yet, so give us a minute. And then we also have, look at the gingerbread men. I just love them. They're so cute. So this pattern is available. Are we kidding this? What are we doing with that? It's just a pattern. And then you can come and get all the stuff you want. Okay, we have a new pattern designer as well that we are carrying. This is Running Stitch Quilts. So we have Eternally Yours, Scrappy American Flag, Wildflower Falls, and I don't know, but I really like it. Julie, tell me how I say that, okay? That's the pattern designer's name. All right, then, because you don't get enough of the 80-inch TV on our Sunday show, Caleb thought he would show you our pre-order for our subscription, our kits, on it. So here we go, friends. This is the new Elizabeth Hartman line called Popcorn. Now, we have scenery in stores now. We have the pre-cuts. The bolts are coming soon. But these two kits I'm going to show you use Popcorn, which is her new line coming out that we're ordering with Moda right now. We have two options. This is Busy Background, and we have a dark and a light version. And then we have, I'll show you the other one, Posy is a dark and a light version. These are pre-order kits, subscription-based. So your first payment, you have 6 payments. Your first payment is June 1st for both of them. And you'll have one payment each month finishing in November. These kits should arrive to us in November, and then we ship them out to you. So this is Busy Background. Where's my remote? Back here. Okay. This is Busy Background dark version.
Backyard. Busy backyard.
Oh, Busy Backyard. I'm sorry. With the dark background, it finishes at 68 by 86. Oh, wait. And here's the light version. So you can get either version, or you can go crazy and get both. This is a boxed kit from Moda. Your pattern, your quilt top, and your binding all included in that price. Okay, it's $48 per month. The Posy, here's your light version. Here's your dark version. This is my personal favorite. You know my love of dark backgrounds, guys. Okay, also made with Popcorn. This is a kit we're creating, so it's 3 layer cakes. It's your woven layer cake, your popcorn layer cake, and your Bella Solids, your Elizabeth's Favorites layer cake, plus background and binding. So this is one we're creating. But again, you get the pattern, everything for the quilt top, and the binding in the kit. It is priced at $40 per month. It measures 68 by 80. Yeah, I'm almost positive on that number. So these are your two versions. They're both pre-order. They will ship in November. You have 6 payments for each one. I want to make this one. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so those are all of our new, look how pretty that is. Okay. That's all our new stuff this week. We do have a show on Sunday. The Fab Stash show is at 3 p.m. Eastern time. Caleb and I will be on the show. All sorts of fun stuff. And, question. In order to be entered to win, you have to answer this question. Do you have one off the top of your head?
What are your weekend plans for the holiday?
Oh, yeah. What are your weekend plans for the holiday? We're going, I'll tell you mine already. We're going over to my parents Sunday after the show to grill out. Yeah, I know. It sounds delightful, doesn't it? It is. It's going to be delightful. So, what are your weekend plans for Memorial Day? And until next time, happy quilting. Bye.